everyone, welcome back to my channel, Litty Shay, Sweet Sensations World. As you know, I do pranks, challenges, Q&A, story times, anything, you name it, I'll do it. If you're new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. And if you're a part of the Litty gang, then what up? I know you saw that title and the thumbnail down below and you're like, so Litty Shay spilling tea. Yes, I will be telling you how to grow your YouTube channel in 5 quick steps. Yeah, right, let's get into this video. Step 1 of how to grow your YouTube channel. First, you need to find out what you're interested in. So it could be a gaming channel, it could be makeup, it could be pranks, challenges, it could be anything what you're interested in. If it's cooking, baking, make that channel on what you're interested in and what you know that you're gonna enjoy, because there's no point doing a video, there's no point making so many videos if you're not gonna enjoy editing it. It's no point. So do something which you're going to enjoy recording, talking about, and all that good stuff. Right, step 2, find your audience. So you need to know who you're directing it at. Is it going to be based at teenagers? Is it going to be for adults who's more matured? Is it going to be for younger adults, like who's in their 20s? Just find your audience. Step 3, somehow just do your research. So you've got your audience and you've got your video recorded. Cool. Step 3 now, upload. You need to have a banging, yes, I said banging thumbnail. It needs to be clickable, because guys, let me tell you, I've come across so many small YouTubers on the platform and their thumbnails look so boring. Like, I don't even want to click on their thumbnail. Like, what the hell? Your thumbnail needs to be clear. It needs to be wow. It needs to want to make the person want to watch and not fall asleep before they've clicked on the video. And you need to make sure that before you upload, your title is guys, that title of the video needs to pull in the audience. It needs to get people to want to watch. Because if you've got a boring title like I done cooking 3 o'clock in the morning with my mum, who's going to look that up on YouTube? Who's going to really take their time to type into YouTube, I cooked at 3 o'clock in the morning with my mum? No! People want to be able to type in keywords like how to. I saw, you know, something really, really interesting. Like, you need to find out what's trending. You need to find out how else to get people's attention. Like, that title needs to bang. It needs to be in your face. It needs to be something like, can't believe what happened, something drastic happened, or what happened next is shocking. You need to be able to understand your audience. Because guys, I have seen some really, really, really bad titles and I'm like, how do you expect people to tap on your video if it's just boring? Like, who really cares about what you done 3 o'clock in the morning? Be dramatic. If you have to do clickbait, do clickbait. If you need to do, listen, do what you have to do. Just be dramatic. Make sure that you've got the person's attention who's watching. Just make sure you keep them engaged. It needs to be engaging. Like, you don't want your people to sleep. No, you need them to be like, what's gonna happen next? What's gonna happen next? Yeah, like, come on. Right, so now that the video is uploading and you've got a banging thumbnail, a banging title, next. So once the video is uploaded, step 4, I believe, is promote. 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 People be giving people money who promote their videos for them. Me personally, I don't really like that way, because it's not your own people watching. It's not your own. It's just, it's very unorganic. Like, it's not good. To pay someone to promote for you is like, okay, you're just lazy and you don't care about your channel and you don't care about your video, how well your video is going to be doing. So therefore, I just say to go on all social medias. If you've got Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, WhatsApp, any type of social media platform, put your link in group chats, put your links, Snapchat stories, everything, like everything, because if you don't do it, nobody will know about you. Like, it's simple, guys. Promote, 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 promote. It sounds like a song and dance, but all you got to do really is just promote your video. And I know that on Facebook they have Facebook groups. All you got to do is just support the other person and they will support you back. I know some people may be like,
that's boring, or that's long. Like, who wants to support somebody else?
Listen, support goes a long way, especially if the person who saw your video, if they enjoyed it and they're subscribed, come on, that's one way of getting a new subscriber. Like, guys, come on now, let's be smart. Let's be smart. Right, step 5. Step 5 is just making sure that you've got the correct tags. Like, just have the correct tags. I'm pretty sure in your description box you can have 5,000 words. Make good use of your description box, because in there you can have hashtags, you can put some keywords, you can just, it's your chance to really to get in there, you know what I mean? But yeah, just put your tags in, just go on every platform. And don't ever buy your views. Like, that's one thing I would say, is don't ever buy your views. I've never done that personally, but I know some people who have, and it hasn't got them far. So don't buy your views. Just be organic to your channel, and your channel will eventually start to grow. Like, I know some people may be like, I want my channel to grow now. I've just posted a video, I want it to grow now. How come my channel's not growing now? Listen, things don't happen overnight. Like, yes, if your video is a banging video, if you've just dropped an epic prank on your friend or your family member, it might go viral, who knows? But don't expect to post a video up and you see 1,000 views, 10k subscribers. It's not gonna happen. Everything takes time. Just have patience and your time will come. And remember, every single day new YouTubers are coming onto the platform, so you need to make sure whatever content you're putting out there is above somebody else's video. Like, it's more epic, or it's more, you know, it needs to be more wow. Because this platform is a competition. So if your content is looking a bit, then, you know, because YouTube wants to be able to see your content and to know who you are. But if you're only posting up once a week or once a month or 4 times a month, YouTube is not going to know who you are. All you're going to be is a person on YouTube who's trying to get fast money. If that's the case, you won't get no money. Because to be on YouTube, you need to be consistent. I know a lot of people say this on YouTube, you need to be consistent, but you do. Consistency is key. Like, guys, if you're thinking about doing a YouTube channel, just be consistent. Like, even if you get what, 5 to 10 views in one day, it's still better than nothing. So don't feel disheartened or don't feel like no one's not watching, because people are watching, but it's still early days if you're a new YouTuber. So yeah, just be consistent and make your videos unique. Like, don't sit there and be like, oh, I wish I was like so and so, or don't sit there and try and copy somebody else's video, because that's boring. Like, YouTube has seen so many videos just like your video. So what makes your video different? Ask yourself that. What makes your video any different from all these other videos just like yours? So put a twist on something. Put a twist on your video. Make it your own video. Make it your own video. To be... Listen, guys. For YouTube, you have to be different. There's no point coming to a camera and being like, right, I want to be like this person. I'm going to go to bed tonight and I'm going to study how to be like this person. I want to get word for word of what this person is saying. That is not going to get you nowhere, because number one, it's not you being you, it's you being somebody else, and it doesn't make sense. Anyways, guys, I'm going to wrap up this video now. If you've taken anything from this video, please click that like button, comment down below, tell a friend to tell a friend, subscribe and hit that post notification bell. Yeah, because I'm Liddy. Alright then, guys, peace.